When solving a quadratic equation, it must be in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay, so your quadratic formula is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now this formula is on your formula sheet for the Algebra 1 EOC. Let's look at this first example. I have 3x squared plus 11x minus 20 equals 0. So this does equal 0, so this quadratic equation is in the correct form. My a is going to be the 3, my b is the 11, and then my c is negative 20. I'm going to take each of these values and replace them in my quadratic formula. So x will equal negative 11 plus or minus the square root of 11 squared minus 4 times my a, which is 3, times my c, which is negative 20. And then all of that is over 2 times my a value, which is 3. Okay, let's simplify this. So I've got negative 11 plus or minus the square root of 11, or the square of 11, 11 squared is 121. And then I have 4 times 3, which is 12. And then I'm going to also multiply that times negative 20, so I'll get a negative 240. And then all over 2 times 3 is 6. Let's continue to simplify that down here. So negative 11 plus or minus the square root of 121 minus negative 240. I can keep, change. And I've got 121 plus 240, and that is 361, all over 6. The square root of 361 is equivalent to 19, so I've got plus or minus 19 all over 6. Now x is going to equal either negative 11 plus 19 all divided by 6 or negative 11 minus 19 all over 6. So let's try this first by adding. I've got negative 11 plus 19 all over 6. Negative 11 plus 19 is going to be 8. 8 over 6 can simplify to either 4 over 3 or 1 1/3. Okay, let's also simplify the other way. If we subtract, x equals negative 11 minus 19 all over 6. Negative 11 minus 19 is negative 30. Keep it over 6. Negative 30 divided by 6 will give us negative 5. So for your original quadratic equation that says 3x squared plus 11x minus 20 equals 0, we have solved that x equals 1 1/3 or negative 5. Okay, go ahead and finish solving the rest of these that are set equal to 0.